Alright, so right now we got a 4th of July,
Piccolo Pete.
Style. And some firecracklers. Not really sure what those are.
We about to blow this shit out.
We about to have some fun.
Okay.
We've been doing this all night.
Look, this is our motherfucking fires, crackers, Piccolo Pete bomb. We about to blow everything up. So, you stand by?
We've been doing this all night with little 2 liters, little liter bottles, little liter bottles. We got our cars running. We getting the fuck out of Dodge after this. Hey, time together.
No.
No? Line them separately then. Fuck it.
No, cause we got them together so we can line it. Cause this one's gonna take a little long, remember? So we can line them at the same time.
It's gonna go boom and then boom.
Yeah. It's gonna go boom. Oh damn! I forgot. I don't have the memory card in here, so it doesn't do along the freaking thing.
I do. I'm good.
He can send it to you, can he?
Yeah, I can send it to you.
Oh, I do, but I can't transfer it to you.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Cameron's gonna light it.
You're gonna see me running. Don't be. Oh shit! Hold up! Grab it off! Put it out!
Oh no! Why'd you do that? Go get the other one.
No, it's fine.
I want it to go boom, boom.
Well, it's not going to now. We gotta work with what we got.
Okay, here, light this one first and do it real fast. Alright.
Just light them both. Just light them both. Just hold them next to each other again. Hold up. I'll hold this one.
No, that's good. Because I don't want one to blow up and then the other one to blow up here. Light them at the same time?
Nah, that's not gonna work good.
Trust me.
Same time is better.
Just trust me. I want that shit to boom. We ain't gonna have enough time to run, are we? Alright, yeah.
We can have enough time to run.
Put it out there and put it out my head. When I light it, you run.
Why I gotta run last?
He run fast.
He runs faster than me.
Alright,
why I gotta run last?
It's in there. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Hold it up there. See?
Better hurry! Better run! It's gonna go boom!
Didn't do nothing.
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck was that?
He's so scared. He'll get the spin, That was
Hold up, did I shut the video off? I don't know, that shit is loud. That shit better have saved. Oh, it's still recording. Oh shit, that was loud as shit.
You gotta spin.
Yeah. Well, one of those didn't go off right. Not sure really what happened, but we're gonna try that one again. Let me zoom in. This is grand finale. If you see him run, you got about 10 seconds.
Oh, doing that!
What the